Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working with my non-dominant hand, so I'm just gonna forewarn you guys, this is going to be a mess. But in the end, I feel like I kind of let it come together. But before you do anything else, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I'm using this acrylic that I got from Igel Beauty. I believe it's electric blue. And I was like, this color is so beautiful. And I really want to do just a plain blue set. But y'all know I do the most. So once I got going, I was like, let's just try to ombre these nails. Now, I should have went with my first mind because I'm working with my non-dominant hand and kept it simple. So I'm going to let you guys watch me struggle through this ombre. But at the end, let me know what you guys think of these nails. I also want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway. If you go look at my nail hand, I'll link it in the description box. I'm doing a giveaway. So I did not forget about you guys. Those of you who have been asking me, I will announce the giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can go ahead and announce a winner. But I'll go ahead and shut up and let you guys watch me work. Make sure, like I said, that you subscribe, comment below, let me know what you think of these nails, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.
Choose your fighter. Bye.